nice treat to show you guys. Watch this. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, and now let's go back inside. I think you like that nice garage thing, isn't it? So, Mommy, you like that? The white cup pretty cool, isn't it? Let me open the door one more time. I think you can hear it. Once you open the door, the light goes out. That's it.
Okay, Mommy, this video's for you. You always like it, so this is for you. The alarm is going off, so I disarmed the system. Yep. So, Mommy, you like it, don't you? That's the volume, of course. You can lock and unlock your doors from here. And if you want to arm it, when you tap and hold this, it gives you two options. Right here, of course. The video camera is right here. Let's see. It takes a second. That's the home button, of course. And that's the plus button. And that's the... It says everything looks good. That means your home is ready to arm the system. And today is the January 16th. I think I said it right. That's the weather, of course. Let me show you what the current forecast is. Yep. The front door is locked. So you can unlock your front door by so when you switch it over, like if you have a smart door lock installed, it will show you right here. And like if you have any new messages, it will alert you. Like if you have any urgent messages, or like it will have a little thing that says, "Hey, issues require your attention." Shade day for today. I'm going to show you that. So that's the plus icon, pretty course. You can press and hold this for 2 seconds, which is right here. The volume is right here, and I think that the oh yeah, that's the second one is the adapter's plugged in. I think the third one is the Wi-Fi. Not quite sure. And this one right here shows you the notifications. So that's the home button, and that's the plus button. Let's see. It's loading in my doorbell camera. This is a doorbell camera, looks like. You can talk to them too. Like if somebody comes in, and we'll show you right here. This is pretty cool looking camera. Let's exit out full screen. So that's the messages. That shows you when you get notifications, and that's it.